Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I use the trend section and how you can use it too. Even though this is not a financial advice, trade according to your strategies and rules. So before starting, subscribe to the channel and enable notifications. Let me show you what happened today. I found this very interesting downtrend on the euro and the Turkish lira 5-minute charts. The drawdown was around 16%. Here is now around 18%, but I saved the screenshot. So this was the drawdown at the moment I find it. And before jumping into a trade, I always make my technical analysis. And I look at the drawdowns on the upper time frames. Okay, in this case I was looking at the 15 minutes and 30 minutes. The hour is just too wide, so I don't take it into the account. So let's jump to trading view because I want to show you. I was here where I put this red sign, okay, and I was ready to open a buy position. Why? Because the price was encountering a very strong support area here, just here, okay, as you can see around 56.59 and 56.22. So my idea for this trade was to open a long position. Okay, I usually don't use market orders and I let the trade execute automatically. So but this is my rule, and because I backtested the market, you don't have to trade like me, of course. You have to study the markets. Okay, so because it was encountering this very strong level, it was not the case to enter this trade selling. Okay, one of my biggest rule is not to chase and missed trains. Okay, because I missed all these action. I missed it, so it didn't make any sense to enter here for a short position. I was just going to blow up my account. So if you continue to watch the video, you will find trade development in the coming days. So we will find out if I was right or wrong. Remember that trading is not just forecasting or being a very good or bad I don't know, forecaster, but is about trading probabilities with a statistic advantage. This is why I always tell you to backtest the markets. Okay, because you will have a statistic advantage. You will know that, I don't know, 60% of the times you will be in profit and 40% of the time will be a loss. On this data you can adjust your strategies and your rules. So continue to watch the video because you will find the development of the trade. Hello everybody, welcome back to this video. So today is January the 9th, and yesterday we were on watch on this downtrend on the euro and Turkish lira 5-minute chart, and we were right here, and I was telling you that because the price was going to bounce on this very strong support, at least for the 5-minute chart, okay, I was going to open a long position, so buy. And in this case it turned out to be a profitable trade, because even if we stayed in the trade for just 1 hour, we were in profit for 174 pips, and it's a huge profit for momentum traders. You know, it depends on your strategies. Okay, even though if you stay longer and wait for the price to reach its maximum potential, then you will have gained 316 pips or less, because you're not gonna exit here, but you're gonna exit here the opening of this very big red candle. Okay, so this is the way I was trading this downtrend on the 5-minute charts. Every scenario has a different approach. Of course, I'm trading on the 5-minute chart, so I don't really care about the continuation of the trend, and I do my technical analysis consideration. It's normal that on the 1 hour, 4 hour, or on the daily chart, it will be a different topic. Okay, but we are the trading, and this is the way I trade and look at trades. So wrapping up, I don't chase trains when I lose them. So I was here, and it was not the right spot to open a sell position, and I decided to open a long one. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy the way I decide to trade. And nothing, I will do more video. I will make more videos about trend following. And for today is everything. I wish you a very good trading day. Stay tuned. See you soon. Bye bye.